Hey, I'm Phil, and I'm going to show you how you can use Melder to add AI and document support directly into your spreadsheets. We're going to start with a pretty simple example of taking a bunch of customer contracts and trying to find information about them that we might want at scale. So first thing we're going to do is figure out how to upload our customer contracts. So I'll hit Add Files when I have a cell selected, and then I will select these contracts, open them, and then click Add Files again. As you see, our tool will kind of process these files, do all the OCR that we need to do on them for them to be used by AI later on. If we want to go ahead and see if that worked correctly, we can click on a file and then we can see, yep, looks like the contract got uploaded in here. First thing we're going to want to do is figure out the name of the customer or company that we're working with. The file names can be a little funky, so it's just easier to have that in a nice clean field. And it looks like CodeRush was pulled out correctly. So we used the extract function for that, and we're going to use im.extract again for this next one. We're going to look at the name of the customer contact. So who exactly at that company do we work with and talk to? Looks like we work with Marcus. Great. We can check that by then quickly opening this panel and looking, okay, yeah, Marcus, that's the right name. For every output that references a file, we'll get that citation instantly in the sidebar. Next, let's do something a little bit more tricky. We're still going to reference that customer contract in cell A2, but this time we're going to say we want payment terms, and we're going to tell them exactly how we want those payment terms to look. Gotcha. It looks like these payment terms are 30 days. And we can go and check that, and yep, it looks like 30 days was right on the payment terms. Finally, let's do one more function. This one is categorize. So this is when we have a few different things that could be, that our document could be categorized into, or really that anything could be categorized into. In this instance, we're going to look for the payment frequency. Do they pay monthly, quarterly, or yearly? So we'll reference the PDF again, and then we're going to provide it a list of category options: monthly, quarterly, yearly. And then we're going to give it a little bit of context on the ask. So here we're going to say that we're looking for payment terms information. And now it says that it's quarterly payment terms. Let's go ahead and check these. That doesn't look right, but we can check the next citation. Yeah, there we go. The customer is supposed to pay quarterly in advance. Because citations aren't always perfect, we add the top 1 to 5 citations for you to quickly get and verify the information that you need. Well, now's the moment of truth. Will this work when we drag it down and try to get it on all the other files we worked on? Boom. Looks like it did. Melder will let you do, at scale, any sort of AI operation that you like, and you're not forced into the kind of confines of a one-size-fits-all tool. If you're interested in using Melder, feel free to contact us. I'm Phil. It's nice to meet you.